Imagine waking up tomorrow, and your bed isn't holding you down anymore. Your blanket is floating. Your toothbrush is floating. You are floating. Why? Because gravity has just stopped for one entire day. Sounds fun, right? Like a free pass to live inside a space station. But hold on, if gravity disappeared, Earth wouldn't just turn into a giant bounce house. It would be absolute chaos. Okay, let's set the stage. Gravity is what keeps your coffee in your mug, the oceans glued to the planet, and the moon orbiting us instead of flying away like a runaway balloon. It's weak compared to other forces, but without it, everything falls apart literally and figuratively. So let's say, at midnight tonight, gravity turns off like a light switch. For 24 hours, Earth becomes a no-gravity zone. What happens? First things first, you're airborne. Not super fast, just kind of floating. Anything not nailed down is drifting up. Your phone, your cat, your leftover pizza slice up, and away. Air itself is no longer being held close to Earth. The atmosphere starts to drift into space. Don't panic yet, it wouldn't vanish instantly, but within hours, oxygen would thin out. Breathing would get harder and harder. It's like going from sea level to the top of Mount Everest, then beyond. The oceans? Oh boy. Water relies on gravity to stay put. Without it, waves don't just splash, they escape. Seas, rivers, and lakes would start rising into the sky like giant blue blobs. Imagine the Atlantic Ocean just slowly peeling itself off Earth and floating away like a giant water balloon. Good luck explaining that to your beach vacation plans. Cars, trains, people, everything drifts upward. Buildings would crumble because gravity is what holds them steady against the ground. Even your house would start to pull apart piece by piece. Airplanes, though, for once, they'd be fine. Pilots would just shrug and go, "Cool, we don't even need engines anymore." Until they realize navigation is impossible because Earth itself is changing. Here's the really scary part. Earth orbits the sun because of gravity. Turn it off, and Earth flies in a straight line like a car skidding off the road. Within hours, our planet would start drifting out of orbit, away from the sun. Daylight, seasons, climate all gone. After one day of this, Earth would be on a brand new path through space. Spoiler, it's not a good one. Meanwhile, people everywhere are bumping into ceilings, drifting into the sky, or desperately trying to tie themselves down with ropes. You know how losing a balloon as a kid was heartbreaking? Now imagine losing your grandma. Governments would scramble to build shelters with artificial gravity, or at least sealed habitats with air pressure. Space agencies would be like, "We've been training for this our whole lives," while the rest of us are stuck trying to duct tape ourselves to the floor. But here's the ultimate twist. After exactly 24 hours, gravity suddenly comes back. Everything that was floating, oceans, cars, cows, people, comes crashing down. Not gently, not slowly, instantly. Imagine billions of tons of water slamming back onto continents. Imagine airplanes falling from the sky, buildings collapsing, and, well, let's just say, nobody would be updating Instagram that day. The destruction would be on a global, extinction-level scale. Honestly, Earth might not even recover. So yeah, a single day without gravity sounds cool for, like, 2 seconds. But in reality, it would strip away our air, toss away our oceans, fling us out of orbit, and then smash everything back down when gravity returns. Basically, Earth would go from fun trampoline to end-of-the-world disaster movie in record time. So what do you think? Would you want to experience even 1 second of a no-gravity Earth, or would you rather keep your feet firmly on the ground? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this wild ride, hit that like button, subscribe for more Science Why What Ifs, and make sure gravity doesn't vanish on your way out.